Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation doing another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on the Fire TV stick. This is the regular edition, not the 4K. As you can see, these are all the apps that are on the Amazon store. So you can see here it comes with Alexa, does 1080p, Dolby Audio, quad-core processor, and AC Wi-Fi. This is the basic description. See what's included here, what's needed. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and use the easy pull tab. You can see Amazon is keeping up with good presentation for their products. It goes ahead and open it like this. And on this side we have to be an instruction guide. Front page here. This looks like a quick start guide. And over here we have the power cable. Looks like a standard USB to micro USB. And then this is the HDMI extender, in case it gets too close to your TV. Then, looks like over here, we have a set of Amazon branded batteries. It's always nice when they come with batteries. And here is the wall charger. And right here is the stick itself. So you can see it says Amazon on it, and that's the charging station. And then just for reference, I brought in the 4K edition, which, as you can tell from here, is a little bit larger. Looks a little different with just a symbol. Other than that, they look pretty close to the same. And of course we have the remote. And this looks identical to the 4K edition. Alright, that seems to be the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time.